On our way back from the Mahaica River cruise, we made several birding stops along the way to Georgetown. Number of beautiful birds, and we stopped for a while on the beach, seeing the yellow-headed caracara doing some fishing. Pretty exciting stuff. I love to get birds in flight. And then we saw this large-billed tern. He was back and forth across the beach doing some fishing. And if you look closely in this next picture, well, the one after that, you may see he actually did catch a fish. He's got it in his beak there. Some birds we see back home, the little blue heron, and the ruddy turnstone, not in Kansas, but in the United States. We see this bird as well as the greater yellowleg. Still really nice birds to see. This was a couple of my favorite birds for this piece of the trip, the common toady flycatcher and this beautiful spotted toady flycatcher. A little bit shy, but he ended up with some really nice pictures as well. Another view of the roadside hawk. He was just perched alongside the road. And another of my favorites is the limpkin. Not supposed to be in Kansas, but we actually saw one of these a year ago in a lake in Kansas. Not sure why he was there, but really an elegant bird.